welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Well, like all my recipes, today's recipe too is going to be quick, easy, yet delicious. So, without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So let's see today's easy yet delicious chicken sausage chili fry recipe. Now I've just taken regular chicken sausages and I've just chopped them into fine pieces. This is one medium onion sliced fine, one capsicum sliced fine. This is a paste of ginger and garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. This is one light green chili chopped fine and some coriander chopped fine. This is some turmeric powder, some coriander powder and some pepper powder. All ingredients with their measurements will be given in the description box below. Now I'm going to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm going to fry my sausages well. And once my sausages are nice and fried, I'm going to take them up and keep them in a bowl aside. And then we're going to continue with the recipe. So here my sausages have nicely got fried. And in the same oil, I'm going to now add my other ingredients. I'm going to start by frying my light green chili very well. Once the chili is nice and fried, next we'll go in my ginger garlic paste. Fry that well too. Next is going to go my capsicum. I've just used one small green capsicum or bell pepper and chopped it really fine. Next goes in my one medium-sized onion chopped fine. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. We're going to mix everything really well together. Now I'm going to add my fried sausages back into the mix. Give everything a good mix. Then I'm going to flavor it with some salt to taste. Now you could add tomatoes if you like tomatoes, but we don't really like tomatoes in this, so I don't add it, but you can. And just a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder to give it a nice color. That's totally optional. Just about 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add your chopped up coriander or cilantro. Give everything a good mix. And then I'm just going to cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes till everything nicely comes together. And that's it, friends. Your sausage chili fry is all ready. You can have this stuffed into some pao, you can have it with rice and dal, or you can have it with some chapatis or puris. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's Recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you just my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.